Hey guys, welcome to the 6th video of the series JavaScript Simplified from Computing Genie. In this video we'll be having our first look at variables in JavaScript. In the last video we learned about how to format our code in Visual Studio Code. If you haven't watched that yet or the videos uploaded earlier, I'd suggest that you go back, have a look into it and get back to this tutorial. Now assuming you know most of the basics of JavaScript, we'll now open Visual Studio Code and take a look at variables. So variables in JavaScript are containers for storing data values. These data values can be in many types such as strings, numbers, booleans, objects, and more. We'll look into data types in our next tutorial, but for now we'll see how a variable can be used in our sample web page. But if you want to learn more about data types and variables right now, I'll drop a link to W3 Schools down in the description below. So let's open our script.js file, and to declare a variable we have to use the let command and give our variable a name. For the sake of an example, we will name it as price and we'll type in an equal sign and give it a value. For this example we'll give it a numerical value of 15. Once done, we can go to our show message function and change the string value with our newly declared variable. Now we can save our file and run our code by typing in npm run start in our terminal. And now if you look at our browser, you can see the value we declared via a price variable. We can go back to script.js and add another variable, this time name it as price2 and type in an equal sign and give it a value of 10. Once done, we are going to type in both our variables in our show message function and then add a plus sign in between them. Then you can save the file and you can see that our code works perfectly fine since it has added both the values. Now this isn't the best execution of this example. For that you should create another variable named total price and type in an equal sign, and here you can type in both your variables and ask your function to display total price, and it can give you the same answer in a cleaner method. And that's how you can use your let command to declare variables and do mathematical calculations with them. In the next video we'll be looking into different data types and more into variables. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on the video. If you have any suggestions regarding the content of the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to Computing Genie with bell notifications so you'll never miss out on another tutorial. And that's it for now. I'll see y'all in the next one.